Hey. Hi, Lin. What's your bike? Ilin. Iin. Ah, Iin. Because the... Okay. What's your bike?
Marin.
Marin. That's ladies geometry, right?
Yes.
What are you trying to show me? This signal light? This rock bros?
Yes. Turn left.
The remote? Huh?
Yes. And then turn right.
Oh, amazing. But only the few drivers will respect that.
That's why.
Yeah. So this is a marine. Wildcat trail. Wow. Small? This is small? Extra small.
I don't know. Extra small.
Wow. This is our lady rider. The strongest from
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Huh? She's using an XT crank. SLX Shimano. Wow. And Alex rims. What's your hubs? No.
No bread.
Arc. But still, Maxis. Good tire trails. Because she's strong. She can ride anywhere. Smile pa. Be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
3x9.
3x9.
Same as that.
And XTR. That's XTR. That's Racer Girl. Racing. Built for racing. Oh, this is also XTR?
Which one?
The cassette?
I don't know.
Oh, that's...
I don't think so.
But you're a strong rider. That's why you only need a 3x9. 3x9. So what? Fork be?
First.
Fork is a racing suspension 26er. So she's running a 26 bike. The sanctions are protected with a neoprene for dust and mud. Oh. Tapos first RST. Oh, fork. Cockpit is running in a GT. Wow, straight bar. EC9. Oh, suspension XTR SLX. Very good. And the rider is using a Met helmet which cost a lot, and the shades are Rock Bros. Ardent tires. That's 26.2.1. Excuse me. 26.2.4. Grabe. Good for the trails. Okay, so ride safe. Bye.
Bye.